PainDrainer, the name says it all. It's a digital health company spin out from Lund University, and I have here with me the CEO of the company, Erik. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Tell me more about the company you are driving.
Yeah, so PainDrainer basically is a digital therapeutics company working in the field of chronic pain. It was founded by Lund University, and one of the co-founders has chronic pain herself and had gone through several chronic pain management programs, both in Sweden, and didn't really find a solution to help her in the daily life. So therefore, PainDrainer was founded to see how we can work with activities and the function for her daily life to see how that could alleviate pain.
So what is the current status? You are already up and running, you have customers, and the app is working?
Yeah, so pretty much all components are live. So we are CE approved, we are FDA registered, we have done several clinical trials with very good results, and we are also live both in Sweden and the United States with healthcare providers. So what we are looking for right now is to scale the company.
And may I ask about the revenue?
The revenue?
Yes.
Yeah, no, it's really early stage so far. So we have one clinic in Sweden, and then we have one clinic in the United States that are starting to gain volume. So.
But it's a business to customer service, right? So the
model is actually business to business. So we provide a solution for healthcare providers, and they can then provide it to patients as part of their treatment plans. And if we look at the US system, this is part of their reimbursement system, meaning that then when healthcare providers provide the product to patients, they can get reimbursed for that as well. So it's sort of a win-win situation here, that patients get help with their treatment, physicians can actually get paid for it, and there is a business model in PainDrainer as well.
Wow, that sounds great.
Yeah.
What about the competition? You can't be the first app.
No, the app space is obviously quite crowded because a lot of the companies are developing apps. The difference here is that most products are passive. You do something as a patient in the app, but you don't get any feedback back. Here, PainDrainer stands out. We have a patented solution where we have an active coach within the app that is run by an artificial neural network. So each time a patient interacts with the device, we start to calculate and start to understand what are the pain triggers and what can we do to alleviate pain, yet keep the activity level high. So each day, the patient gets a number of set recommendations for their personal coach to how they should work on their daily life to alleviate pain.
Wow. I really need to test this myself. What are the milestones you are seeing in front of you, and what can investor expect from you?
I think what investors can see is that there is a company you can invest with that has the technical foundation, that has the right registration for the market we are working with, and that also have a clinical evidence that the product in itself works. So right now we are focusing solely on growing the commercial sale of the company. We are in discussion with several partners in the United States specifically. And I mean, not to say too much yet, but there is one partner we're discussing with that has for more of a partnership or distribution agreement with us. So if that is signed, then investors can see that there will be quite fast turn back on the case in the fact that we will be able to scale through this partner. So we are hoping a lot on that.
And what about Sweden? Because you're a Swedish company.
Yeah.
But the reimbursement model is being applied in US. Why don't we have it here?
I mean, I love Sweden, but I don't really know how Sweden think about digital health. And I don't think Sweden themselves know yet. So when we talk to healthcare providers in Sweden, there is a bit of a challenge, I would say, to get Swedish healthcare providers to understand how this should fit in their current operations, basically. But in the US, there is a set reimbursement system for digital products within the healthcare provider system. So therefore, that is a much better area for us to work in. And also the market is obviously larger.
Yeah, of course, more people.
Yeah, exactly. And I think another thing that is important for the US market is that there is a historical risk of patients taking too much opiates. And as of now, we see over 3 million people in the United States with opiate use disorders. And out of those, almost 50,000 dies each year due to this. And since we offer a drug-free product, we can do something about this situation, basically.
And if you were to do this in Sweden as well, what would you say to the responsible people, like generally about digital health? How should we think about it in Sweden? Where is the pain? I mean, people are gonna watch this video, and you might be able to give a message.
Yeah, I think the main key point for me is that don't be afraid of digital, because there is a lot of good value coming from digital devices of various sorts, where PainDrainer being one of those working in our field with chronic pain. And when you can see that you can actually increase customer engagement, you can increase customer adherence, you can also set directive for your treatment plan of a patient and understand how they work with that treatment plan over a longer period of time. There is a lot of health economic value provided by this. So, but somewhere we need to understand that digital is good for society.
That sounds great. Yeah. I really wish you all luck.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your day here at World Trade Center.
I will. A pleasure meeting you.
Thanks.
Thank you.